Hey everyone, welcome back to InfoGamer. For this video, I'm still working on my presidential slap game, and I'm learning a whole bunch of new things with this project that I'll shortly be creating tutorials for. The latest thing that I'm doing is I'm creating a ragdoll for my 2D characters so that when you click on them, they then turn into a ragdoll. So to do this, I've duplicated all of the visual components of my 2D character, and I've added colliders and rigid bodies to each body part. At this point, I want to test my project and see what happens. And at this point, we've got people falling apart all over the place. And you'll notice that the arms and the legs, they just fall straight through the person. But each of the regular characters have a collider on their head. And so their torso and their heads are landing on top and kind of just floating there for a second. It's pretty funny because you could have like a person with like 3 heads stacked on top of the other person's head. I don't know, it's pretty ridiculous. But I thought I would show and share this with all of you. Alright, so I've taken a bit of time to work on this ragdoll effect, and I think I have it working a bit better. Now, along with the colliders and rigid bodies, I've also added hinge joints to all the characters' body parts. This will make all the body parts hold together at the joints, but it should still flop around because of the rigid body. I've also set the ragdoll to be disabled, and I've made some code for when I click on the head of my character that it'll switch between the animated character and the ragdoll character. So now let me play through my project again and we'll see how well it works. Alright, so here I have my 2D characters, and these are the animated characters, but when I click on their heads, you can see how they turn into ragdolls, and it's pretty silly. But it looks pretty good. It's working a lot better than what I previously had. Alright, so that's where I'm currently at with my presidential slap game. I'm really trying to get this done as fast as I can so that I can move on to a new project. Now if you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for this game, make sure that you leave them in the comments below. And also make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can be up to date with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.